Hi, welcome to BioRef Digital. Friends, what are these keywords? Why are they so important for SEO? Are they important for SEO at all? Simple questions, right? Well, the answer to these questions is not so simple. And in today's video, we'll see them one step at a time. But before we do that, please do not forget to hit the bell icon and click on the subscribe button to not miss a video from BioRef Digital on digital marketing. So let's not wait any further and let's get started. SEO keywords set the direction for your content and they ensure that your content is easily searchable by users on several search engines. So once you know the keywords you can focus upon, you can easily design your digital marketing strategy with the help of these keywords. What are keywords in SEO? SEO keywords are those words or phrases that are present in the content of your site, and these keywords help the user to find your content or your site on search engines. These keywords match the search intent of the user with their appearance in the particular article and then throw up the results in search engines based on the search intent of the user. Part of your SEO strategy should be to use these keywords in various web content such as web pages and PPC content. Why keywords are important for SEO? Friends, let us try to understand this in a bit different way. Whenever you go to buy your monthly groceries, you have a list of items ready. You go to the supermarket and directly head to the section which contains your particular item. Now, how do you identify that that section is the section where you want to go? Because it is displayed on the top. Similarly, with the keywords, what happens is they catch the search intent of the user, whether the user is for informational content or for transactional content. The keyword identifies the search intent of the user and throws up the results in the SERP. So these keywords plays the role of placeholders or directions for your users to find the relevant content about your products and services, which in turn brings in more traffic and leads to more conversion. So how to choose the right keyword? Now before you choose the right keyword, you should be aware to certain extent about what your users are searching for. Only then you would be able to put in the relevant keywords in your articles and your articles would be showing up in the Google SERP. So searching the right keywords involves the volume of the keyword search, the difficulty and the competition. So you should keep all these 3 points in mind while you are searching for the right keyword for your niche. Now based on your SEO strategy and your focus area at a particular point of time, you can select either short-tailed keywords or medium-tailed keywords or long-tailed keywords. Now friends, let us understand this, that the length of the tail of the keyword is based on your SEO strategy and the purpose you are working upon. Usually long-tail keywords are considered to be more relevant because they capture the user's search intent more specifically. Although we have heard that SEO is a very important and necessary digital marketing tool, but no strategy is complete without the choice of the right keywords. And a good to know information for you is most of the SEO experts agree that keywords should be used to generate more CTR, more traffic and more conversions. So friends, I am sure that you have been able to derive some value out of this video and I was able to answer many of your questions regarding keywords that you have been pondering upon. So please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to BioRef Digital channel to not miss any video on digital marketing from BioRef Digital. So friends, see you soon again. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and stay tuned to BioRef Digital.